Barangay Captain Honorable June Santos.
Ayan, magandang umaga po sa lahat. Isa namang hep-hep? Hep-hep? Okay, ginaya ko na isip kayo yung kagawad no? So, unang-una, nagpapasalamat po ang buong sangguniang barangay. Kasama ko po ngayon, Kagawad Jessie Concepcion, Kagawad Luisa Cartel, Kagawad Rowena Blanco, Kagawad EJ Javier, Kagawad Lexa Aquino, Kagawad John Almer Pagsisihan, Kagawad Arlen Caldoso, at syempre, ang mga bisita po natin mula sa Cairo. Nagpapasalamat po kami kay Miss Tia at sa aking kaibigan, Sir Franz DC. No, maraming salamat sa pagpili sa ating mahal na barangay, sa aking mahal na barangay, Bagong Bayan. So on behalf of the Sangguniang Barangay, together with my fellow councilors, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Skyro Philippines for their generous donation of 500 grocery packs and 5 kilos of rice for our community. At ang maganda po doon, napagdesisyonalan po ng Sangguniang Barangay na itap po ang iba't ibang sektor, different sectors from our community, including PWD, senior citizens, solo parents, delivery riders, delivery helpers, yung mga talagang apektado po ng hamon ngayon sa ating bansa. And this meaningful initiative as part of our of your CSR, ma'am, reflects your genuine commitment not only to business excellence but also to uplifting communities and making a real difference in people's lives. So we also extend our sincere appreciation to the company's president, Mr. Nasim Ali, and to the entire marketing team led by Miss Tia, and for your compassion and dedication to service. And together with the Barangay Council, we remain committed to supporting initiatives like this and ensuring that every help reaches those who need it most. So this support will greatly benefit our indigent families from various sectors. And we also acknowledge our city government under the leadership of Mayor Lani Cayetano for their continued support in programs that uplift the lives of our constituents. So once again, thank you Skyro Philippines for being a true partner in service. Your kindness and generosity will always be remembered here in our barangay. Maraming salamat po. At yun nga po, sabi po ni Kagawad Jessie Concepcion kanina, Kagawad, na sana po iparating po natin sa ating mga kasamahan sa kapitbahay, kaibigan, na limitado lang po ang blessing na may-share ngayon ng Skyro, pero napakalaking bagay po ito para po sa ating community. It shows Skyro's commitment beyond business, na makatulong sa mga nangangailangan. So yun po, maraming salamat ulit Skyro Philippines at sa buong team for sa pagpunta niyo dito sa aming barangay. At God bless you all po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.